Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a map with your Mova P10 Pro Ultra. If you're interested in the P10 or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. First things first, we have to enter into our P10 Pro Ultra device settings within the Mova Home app. So select that beige tan enter button. From there, we'll be taken to our main screen where we don't have any maps created. And at the center, below the map image, it says Start Fast Mapping. We're going to select that. They have a little guide and a checklist for you. Basically, make sure all of your room doors are open where you want it mapped. Make sure the station's where you want it. Pick up some wires, debris, things like that. Just tidy up and then hit OK. Now you'll hear a voice prompt. It'll say Start Mapping. It'll dispatch from the station. It'll go around your house and map everything. It'll only take a couple minutes, so now we wait. So our device is headed back to the station right now. The mapping run took 6 minutes. Very quick and efficient as it goes around and basically just scans each and every room. But there we go. It's back at the station now, optimizing the map. So we can start a cleaning task, or we can go ahead, we can edit our map too. If we wanted to change anything, we can do that right there. Very simple and straightforward though to map. It should take 5 to 10 minutes max, depending on how large your floor plan is. And again, off to the side of the map on the right-hand side, there's a little map with an eyeball icon. That's going to be to change your map display settings. And then we have the map pencil icon below that. That's going to be your map editing if you want to customize it any further than what you got populated after it finished. You'll want to spend a minute, maybe rename the rooms, redivide some of the rooms, and then change your cleaning preferences, floor type. You can do all of that right there in the map editing section. But simple, straightforward, very efficient, and most importantly, it's quick. It's not going to take hours to get this set up. And I guess you could just wait a second too, and the app would populate it itself right here, so you can say it's correct and it's all good, or you can proceed to adjust. So if you don't want to skip ahead and hit the pencil editing icon yourself, select Proceed to Adjust, and it'll walk you through a nice tutorial here showing you how to adjust all the rooms and take you into that exact same setting right there. But you can get there multiple ways and then just confirm it when you're all done.